Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how do you limit responses in Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get right into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. Right here, after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page right here in the upper right corner. We can get started with signing up for an account if you do not already have one. So if you do not already have one, create one. If you already have one, just log in normally. So once you're logged in, you can get started. This is going to be the main page right here, where we can get started creating a new form. If you do not already have a form, we can take a look at our recently created forms under the recent forms. And now we can get started with limiting our responses. So once you're opening up your form, if you do not already have one, you can create it right here. As you can see, you can give it a name, description, and so on by creating a blank form. I already have my form. It looks like this. As you can see, tutorial form with a question, some answers, and so on. And now let's say I have given my form to some people, but I want to limit the responses. If you want to limit the responses to one response per person, it's very easy to do so. And what you can do is go right here into the settings tab. In the settings tab at the top of the screen, we can open it up. This is going to enable us to manage all the settings of our form. And if you open up the responses option right here, as you can see, this is now going to enable us to manage how responses are collected. There is an option that says limit to one response. This is going to enable everybody to sign in. So they will need to sign in if they want to manage their responses and they want to give you a response. So it's going to limit to one response per account. So just turn this on and this is how you're going to successfully limit your responses and manage who has responded to your form. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.